before our universe existed, before stars, planets, galaxies, time itself. There was nothing. And then, in a fraction of a second, everything that has ever existed exploded into being. This is the story of the Big Bang, and the question that has haunted scientists for over a century. What caused it? First, let's clear something up. The Big Bang was not an explosion in space. It was the explosion of space itself. 13.8 billion years ago, all the matter and energy in the entire universe was compressed into a single point, smaller than an atom, called a singularity. Then, in an instant, that singularity began expanding at unimaginable speed. Space itself stretched, matter formed, time began. Within seconds, the first protons and neutrons appeared. Within minutes, the first atoms. Within hundreds of millions of years, the first stars and galaxies. But here is the question that keeps physicists up at night. What came before the Big Bang? And what caused it? Scientists have developed several fascinating theories, and none of them are simple. Let's break them down one by one. According to quantum mechanics, a true nothing is actually unstable. Even in a perfect vacuum, tiny particles of energy are constantly popping in and out of existence, called quantum fluctuations. Some physicists believe that the Big Bang was the ultimate quantum fluctuation, a random burst of energy that, instead of disappearing, kept expanding, becoming our entire universe. What if our universe is not the first and won't be the last? The Cyclic Universe theory suggests that our universe exists on a giant membrane, or brain, floating in higher dimensional space. Every trillion years or so, two of these brains collide. The collision releases enormous energy, what we experience as the Big Bang. The universe expands, cools, dies, and the cycle begins again. What if our Big Bang was caused by a previous universe collapsing? The Big Bounce theory proposes that our universe contracts under gravity until it reaches a minimum size, then bounces back in a new Big Bang. Like a cosmic heartbeat, expand, contract, forever. String theory suggests that our universe may be just one of an infinite number of universes, a multiverse. In this model, universes are constantly being born from a churning sea of quantum energy called eternal inflation. Our Big Bang was simply one bubble universe popping into existence among countless others. Each bubble universe may have completely different laws of physics, different constants, different realities. Now, what do we actually know from evidence? In 1965, scientists discovered the cosmic microwave background, a faint glow of radiation spread across the entire sky. It is the afterglow of the Big Bang itself, light from 380,000 years after the universe was born. In 2023, the James Webb Space Telescope gave us the deepest images of the universe ever captured, showing galaxies that formed just 300 million years after the Big Bang. And at CERN in Switzerland, scientists smash particles together at nearly the speed of light, recreating the conditions of the universe just moments after the Big Bang. The evidence confirms the Big Bang happened. What caused it? That remains one of the greatest unsolved mysteries in all of science. Here is the most mind-bending truth of all. The question, what caused the Big Bang, may not have an answer. Because time itself was created in the Big Bang. There was no before the Big Bang, because before requires time to exist. Asking what came before the Big Bang is like asking what is south of the South Pole. The question itself may not make sense. Stephen Hawking described it this way: the universe has no boundary in time, just as the Earth has no edge in space. And yet we keep asking, we keep searching. Because that is what makes us human. The Big Bang is not just the story of the universe. It is your story. Every atom in your body was forged in the heart of a dying star. You are made of the universe, looking back at itself and asking, how did I begin? And that is the most beautiful thing about science. We may never have all the answers, but we never stop asking the questions. If your mind is blown right now, smash that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the universe's greatest mysteries. The universe is waiting. Let's explore it together.